Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to make a slow cooker baked chicken. I have a whole chicken and I have my spices already measured out. I will give the amounts in the description box. I have chili powder, pink sea salt, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and black pepper. Mix this up. Okay, we're going to, I have my chicken patted dry. That way the seasonings are going to stick to it just a little bit better. So let's sprinkle the back of it. Gosh, I could just eat the seasoning, guys. It smells so good. Okay. Now before I put it in my crock pot, I have onions, garlic, and celery. Okay, I'm just going to throw those in the bottom of it. We'll stir them around. That way the garlic's not all in one spot. That's going to give it a nice bed to set on and add a whole new layer of flavor to it. Okay. I'm going to turn this over. And folks, I'm going to put just a little bit of seasoning inside the cavity of it. That way it seasons from the inside as well. Okay. So I'm going to lay it right down here. And I'm going to sprinkle the rest of this over the top of it. Okay. Now I do have 3 or 4 sprigs of fresh oregano that I'm going to put on the top of that. Okay folks, I have my slow cooker already turned on to high. Okay. I'm going to put my lid on there and I'm going to bake this about 4.5 to 5 hours until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. That way we know it's good and done. Okay, our chicken is done, folks, and it's reached a temperature of 165. So I don't know if I can get this out without it falling apart or not. So I'll try. If not, folks, that's a real pretty chicken, right? Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Ha ha! We only lost the wings. Only lost one of the wings, guys. Okay, so that's not bad. Okay, folks. If you'd like, you can put this in the oven under broil for 3 or 4 minutes to crisp that skin up some. Or you can just have it like that right there. But you see how nice and juicy this is, folks? That is an easy way to fix a meal. You just throw your chicken in the crock pot, turn it on high for about 4.5 to 5 hours. Or if you do it earlier in the day, you can put it on low for about 8 to 10 hours, depends on the time that you've got. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.